Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. Let's get right over to Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre for a market check. Jared.
That's right. Is it going to be turnaround Tuesday? Well, we're going to monitor the first hour of trading, and hopefully it's going to be going in the right direction. But if not, and look at this. This is the S&P 500. Yesterday's price action pretty negative there. You know, I compile stats in the afternoon after the market closes for us and for our viewers, and it's just amazing what happened yesterday. Dow is down nearly 800 points. Worst day since November. It entered correctionary. Nasdaq entered a bear market. WTI crude futures, most volatile day of the year. Brent crude futures hitting the highest since July of 2008. Gold futures hitting the highest since August 2020. You get the idea here. But we're tracking volatility as well, and it's not just the VIX. I want to show the VIX first. A little bit elevated here, holding over 35 now, and also the MOVE index. Now, this measures bond market volatility. It has been on the rise. And you take a look at a max chart, we are now in territory we haven't seen since the pandemic. And you put that aside, we are in territory we haven't seen since the global financial crisis. So all in all, a bit of concern here for the markets.
And the concern in the market maybe is drawing some to make a parallel between this period of time and the great financial crisis. I know that's something you've been trying to sort of piece together here, but the big difference this time is it's not subprime that is causing potentially a systemic risk here. It's commodities.
That's right. And the delightfully named Zoltan Pozsar over at Credit Suisse is writing about this today. And just quick by way of background, he engineered all the New York Fed's emergency liquidity facilities during the global financial crisis to deal with it. And so he's drawing some parallels to the modern time where instead of subprime, facing junk status, now we have commodities that are causing margin calls. And because of the opaqueness of the Russian financial system, and also because of commodities trading in general, we really don't have much of an idea of the extent of the problem. I mean, we've been talking about some of these moves here. Here's, for instance, nickel. Nickel is up 105% right now. We're also seeing heating oil up 10%, crude oil up 5%. And we just, Julie, you very, very diligently outlined that $2 billion margin call that the Chinese commodities trader just incurred potentially. So I think there could be a lot more of these, and just arbitrarily cutting off Russia from the financial system, it's going to have some spillover effects.
Well said. Jared Blikre, thanks so much.